position vacant in Daily Express newspaper Lahore office requires an experienced and hardworking e-mind officer. Preference will be given to a person who has expertise in planning effective administrative procedures. Educational qualification, minimum graduate. Experience, at least 3 to 5 years of working experience in any national or multinational organization. Experienced and capable of devising ways to plan and manage day-to-day port operations. Complete proficiency in MS Office. Have communication skills in Urdu or English. Send your applications on this email with latest photograph by July 23, 2023, and make sure to mention Admin Officer in the subject of the email. jobs@express.com.pk